This is how we can sign out of YouTube on the iPhone. So at first we located the YouTube app like this. We get inside, and as you can see, I am currently signed in with this account. So when I click on the bottom right, which says you, I get to my profile, and in order to sign out, I can first of all click on the accounts in the top left, and as you can see, I can switch between other accounts. So if I have any other account, I can go there, right? So you can switch to a different one. But if you want to use YouTube without an account, you can find the button in here which says use YouTube signed out. So as you can see, I'm going to zoom it in at the bottom with the door icon. You can click on the use YouTube signed out like this. And now essentially YouTube is without any account, without any recommendations or anything like that, because it doesn't really know who you are. You are using it without an account. And of course, you can always sign back in if you click on you accounts and choose the account back, but that's how you can sign out. So let me know if it worked for you. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.